Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Asana forms approvals with DocuSign. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Asana project where you want to integrate DocuSign for forms approvals. Locate the specific form you need to authorize. Click on the form to open its details. In the form editor, look for Add Custom Fields. Select the option to create a new custom field for approval status. Name this field Approval Status. Set the field type to drop-down for better clarity. Add options like pending, approved, and rejected. After saving the custom field, proceed to your DocuSign account. Log into your DocuSign account using your credentials. Create a new template for the approval process. Upload the document that requires authorization. In the template setup, add the necessary fields where signatures are needed. Include a text field for additional notes if required. Next, go to the Recipients section within the select the role for the individual who will approve the document. Set the recipient type to signer for the person who will give approval. Now, save your DocuSign template. Return to Asana and navigate to the Integrations section. Find DocuSign in the list of available integrations. Click on Connect to link your Asana account with DocuSign. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between the two platforms. Once connected, go back to your form within Asana. Click on Integrate and select the DocuSign integration. Choose the template you created earlier for the approval process. Link the custom field Approval Status to the corresponding DocuSign fields. Finalize the integration by saving your changes. Test the entire workflow by submitting the form. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.